Hey YouTube, Sam here. Well, it's been quite a while since I did the motor mount on this 01 Ford Escape, and I got a passenger side motor mount, and I ordered what was supposed to be a front motor mount, which goes here. Well, turns out I'm digging in to do my starter again here. That's a whole nother story, but let me show you. Right here, underneath the air filter box here, starter's right there, throttle body's right there, but right there is that motor mount. So I would call this the, I don't know, no, it's not transmission, but it's a driver's side motor mount. Anyhow, that's what it is. Since I have it, I might as well put it in. I'm not going to do it right now, but I thought I'd do a little bit of an update on this motor mount, because when I did the one over there, I was also going to do the front, which yet again I ordered, but obviously it wasn't right. And I had waited too long to send it back, so they wouldn't refund it, they wouldn't exchange it, they wouldn't do nothing. I was kind of irritated by that they wouldn't even exchange it for another one to try and get the right one. But regardless, this one actually goes on the driver's side over here. Some point in time, keep an eye out for a video for that. Probably be a ways away, because I'm going to have to tear the A-arms and a bunch of other stuff off of this car. I've got a kind of a fondness for this old Escape here now. It's been a pretty good everyday driver for my daughter for the most part. A few little quirks here and there, but what car doesn't have that? Alright, this is Sam, Jack of all, and obviously master of none. You all have a good one.